guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I have another unboxing video, and this video it is about the Lookfantastic Beauty box for the month of May. So this is the box. It's a really pretty coral color. We never had this color and I'm really into the coral for this time of year. If you are new to Lookfantastic, I would like to give you some info about this subscription. Lookfantastic is a huge online retailer and they offer a monthly beauty subscription. This is kind of surprise beauty box. You don't know what is inside. It's mostly tend to be oriented to the skincare, but they also have makeup products and other stuff like accessories for your makeup. The price for the monthly subscription it is £15. They also offer 3, 6 and 12 months plan subscription, and this it will reduce the cost of your monthly subscription with a few pounds. But the actual payment it is taken monthly from your accounts. Inside you have 6 beauty items. They are tending to be deluxe size or even full size products. And yeah, if I don't mention something, I will leave everything down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, like, comment on this video, and yeah. If you want to see what Lookfantastic has offered in the past months, I have an entire Lookfantastic Beauty Box playlist, so you can check that out. Now, let's go into the actual beauty box. I don't know what is inside, but I've got a sneak peek in the end of the April on my email, so I know what is one of the products. Confidence is the ultimate shield. So this is what we have written here. You do get a leaflet which tells you all the information about the products that are inside of the box, also the tips and tricks and the prices for every product in part. And also you get the sneak peek. Sometimes you get a sneak peek for the next month. The next month's sneak peek it is the Bio Effect AGF serum worth £25. Not sure if you are able to see because the light is reflecting on this shiny paper. You do get, as every month, a magazine. Here are the products. I will just give you a quick sneak peek. For the month of May, we are delving into all things urban beauty and looking at how our beauty routines are affected by life in the big city. Whether it's skincare solution to keep your skin feeling fresh or a makeup routine that can apply on a commute, we are helping to survive a spring in the city. This month's magazine looks at the anti-pollution skincare trend and the key ingredients to help detox your skin, as well as sharing our favorite ways to create a safe haven at home. We are embracing city life to the fullest this May. So if I didn't mention before, the May edition is called the Urban Beauty. To celebrate Pantone's 2019 color of the year, our box this month is Living Coral, adding a pop of color to give your month a boost. So this is really pretty. So now we know why we have this coral box. Okay, now let's start to dig into the products. So I will just pick one item and then I will refer to the booklet. So first product that I see here, it is by Vela Professionals. And we have 30 ml. I suppose it is a hair product. Vela Professionals Invigo Nutri Enrich Deep Nourishing Mask worth £2.78. Breathe life into dry and damaged looks with this ultra nourishing formula that gives hair a new lease of life. Enriched with Vela Nutris Enrich Blend Complex, this deep conditioning mask contains vitamin E to hydrate each individual strand. A city living essential, this mask protects hair from future stress and frizz, ensuring that hair is revitalized and vibrant. How to use? Apply after shampooing, massage into lengths of hair and leave for 5 minutes. Editor's tip, suitable for all hair types. if you have dry or damaged hair, leave in for up an hour for an intense repair. So yeah, this is our product, and right now I'm out of hair masks, so this is coming really handy for me. Next product we have from Skin Chemist London. So I just filmed this look previously using only Lookfantastic products, mostly Lookfantastic products. We have only 2 or 3 products that are not from Lookfantastic Beauty Box, but if you want to see this look, it will come after the Lookfantastic unboxing video. But yeah, on that look I'm using one product from Skin Chemist London, so I just remember because it's fresh on my memory. Skin Chemist Rose Illuminating Glow Hydrogel Eye Pads, worth $6.99. Hydrate and refresh the delicate skin under your eyes with these hydrogel eye pads. Enriched with ultra hydrating hyaluronic acid and powerful antioxidants, they work to lift, tone and brighten under eyes for a wide awake finish. Perfect for tired eyes or for treating fine lines and wrinkles around the area. So this is perfect for my eye area. How to use: apply directly underneath the eyes or to cleanse skin and leave for 10-5 minutes. Editor's tip: use the pads at the same time as your favorite brightening face mask for a fresh and radiant complexion. Actually, this is a really good idea, and probably I will do that. How many pads we have here? So you do get 8.5 grams of a product. It's really shiny, but yeah, I'm not sure if those are to be used only once or you can reuse them. Yeah, now I see here it's mentioned that apply each hydrogel pad to underside of each eye, and it's mentioned here to not reuse the pad, use weekly. So yeah, this is only one-time usage, unfortunately. On my next facial I will give them a go. Next product is from Mind Tan Invisible Color. So I suppose this is a self-tan or something. Mind Tan 3-in-1 Gradual Tan Lotion, worth £5.99. And you do get here 30 mils or 1 fluid ounce. I'll just open it to see. Oh, it's sealed. The texture is white and has a nice scent. So yeah, nothing will happen because this is a gradual tan and is not developing immediately you apply on the skin. So I cannot give you a first impression besides the fact that it's really nice and it's absorbing in the skin really fast. Give the skin a gorgeous glow with this gradual tanning lotion. A gentle and non-sticky formula, this lotion builds up a natural looking glowing color. Rich in natural derived tan agents, multivitamins and aloe vera, the self-tan moisturizes, extends the length of tan and soothes the skin. Apply to freshly cleansed skin. Use sparingly around knuckles, knees, ankles and elbows. Editor's tip: if you have paler skin or you are a fake tan novice, mix this with your daily moisturizer for a subtle glow. So yeah, thanks to my subscription I have quite a few self-tanning creams, so this summer I'm completely safe. 3 more products to go. Next product, it is from the brand Polar, and we have 25 mils or 0.88 fluid ounces. I remember we have had this brand before. I think it was also a face cream. I'm not sure if I haven't used it. Yeah, I don't see it in my drawer where I keep my new products, so probably I've used it, but I don't remember right now what it was. However, let's see what it can do. Polar Northern Light Cream, worth £17.50. Reveal a radiant and flawless complexion with Polar's Northern Light Soothing Cream. Harnessing the powers of Siberian olive tree, a shrub rich in 108 bioactive elements and high concentration of vitamin C, this cream offers antioxidant properties helping to protect the skin from the impact of pollution. Combined with 100 natural polar berry extract, the creamy formulas boost radiance and encourages the regeneration of cells. Apply to clean skin after cleansing. Editor's tip: this cream is suitable as a day cream for normal to dry skin, but if your complexion is combination, I would suggest using this as a nighttime moisturizer. So as I don't have so many nighttime moisturizer, it will become handy for me really soon. Let's see, I will open just a bit. Yes, it's really nice, moisturizing, and I love the scent. It gives me a really pleasant vibes. I can't explain, but I really love the scent. I think it's some citrusy, probably, but it's something else which I cannot tell right now. But I'm really loving that I've got something that I can use on my nighttime routine, because for daytime I have a lot of products, but for nighttime so far I have nothing left. We have a makeup product, and this is from Mellow Cosmetics Lip Pencil Crayon. So this is in full size, and we don't have the shade. I also used a Mellow product on the makeup that I'm wearing today. So yeah. So this is how it's swatching. This is for sure my favorite shade of lip contour, because it's actually like my skin, my lip color. Here is written, it's in the shade Area. Mellow Gel Lip Pencil in shade Area. Worth £10.50. Define your lips with this soft and natural nude gel lip pencil. With a formula that glides effortlessly onto lips, this long-wearing lip liner delivers a rich matte finish. An on-the-go essential that provides a transfer-proof, creamy base for your lipstick. How to use? Use to trace lips and then fill in for an overall finish. Editor's tip: for a less defined finish, color in lips and buff using a brush. And now the sneak peek that we've got in a mail, and this is from Avent Cosmetics. So we do get 30 mils, and I remember this is really pricey, but I will tell you immediately how much it costs. Avent Skincare 8 Hours Anti-Oxidizing and Retexturing Hyaluronic Facial Serum, worth £89. So this is really expensive, better be good for this price. Rediscover skin's youth with this intensive serum that protects against external aggressors while addressing signs of aging. This hydrating serum nourishes skin from within and combats imperfection, leaving skin moisturized and radiant. Hyaluronic acid moisturizes the skin, plumping the complexion, while lipoic acid has antioxidant properties that improve the skin texture and strengthen the skin's barrier. How to use? Apply the serum to damp skin after cleansing. Wait 2-3 minutes to allow serum to absorb before moisturizing. Editor's tip: if you have oily skin, we suggest using this in lieu of moisturizer. It's really lightweight, but yeah, I think it's quite moisturizing, so I feel when I apply that it can act only as a moisturizer, so I won't need a cream. Maybe for the daytime this is really good, because sometime in the morning I don't have time to do my entire skincare routine, so one product that can act as a serum and cream, 2-in-1, it's perfect for a busy mom. But right now I'm trying another morning skincare line from the Figs and Rouge that we've got in cohorted beauty box, so this will have to wait for a couple of months until I will finish that line. Let's gather up all the products. We've got a facial serum that worth £89, and this pay your box like 4 times almost. Then you got a rose illumination glow hydrogel pads for your under eye area. You've got a moisturizer for your skin. You've got a hair mask, a lip pencil, and a self-tanning lotion, a gradual self-tanning lotion. I will do the math and I will tell you the total value of this box. Here are all the prices. The total value for the Lookfantastic Beauty box for the month of May, £132.76. This basically pays my box for this month 10 times because I'm paying £13 per month, and I'm also using Quidco, which is a cashback retailer that we have here in Europe. You have in the States something similar called eBates, and I'm giving back another £20 as a bonus because I opted for 12 months subscription. So just keep in mind, if you want to subscribe to Lookfantastic, check all the info that I have on my description box. I hope you enjoyed this video and the products that Lookfantastic has offered us on this month. Please let me know in your comments down below if you are getting this box. Also, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe before you leave. And also check for the makeup look using mostly products from Lookfantastic Beauty box. And other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one.